Peace and love, black family. Dr. Umar Johnson, live and direct. Frederick Douglass Marcus Garvey Academy. Just picked up the tax bill. We owe $20,000 on the Honorable Marcus Garvey building. We owe $40,000 in taxes on the Honorable Frederick Douglass building, and that's the city taxes. The county tax bill is coming soon. That's going to be more expensive. So please make sure you make your donations, because as well as we push and fight to renovate, restore, rejuvenate, and resurrect the Frederick Douglass Marcus Garvey Academy, we have to pay the bills. So please make sure you keep your donations coming in. We remain optimistic. We will win. We will be victorious. Mail-in check or money order payable to the FDMG Academy, P.O. Box 9634, Wilmington, Delaware. P.O. Box 9634, Wilmington, Delaware, 19809. Get those donations in, family. We need that. Also, you can Cash App your donation. Cash App, cash.me/$FDMG school, cash.me/$FDMG school. All right? So that's what we're trying to do right now. Just doing some walkthroughs of the campus, you know, chilling. Go ahead and tap in. Who want to tap in real quick? Anybody want to tap in right now? I'm at the campus just doing some walkthroughs with the contractors, trying to get some work done before it get too cold outside. The address is FDMG Academy, P.O. Box 9634, Wilmington, Delaware, 19809. FDMG Academy, P.O. Box 9634, Wilmington, Delaware, 19809. This is the school. 4 buildings. We got 4 buildings, 2 schools, 4 buildings. All right. So we trying to make it happen. All right. So make sure y'all get them donations in. It's all about them donations. This is Dr. Umar right here. What's going on, brother? You know what we doing right now? Me and the elders, we walking through to see what type of work we need. But licensed electrician, plumber, HVAC, and roof. Y'all know anybody who could do that? Take my number. Put my number in your phone. Because we trying to get the building done before it get too cold outside. Let me know when you're ready. 215-989-9858. Yes, sir. They got to be certified because the city all on my ass. They done been out here. They said we better not catch you letting nobody do that work without the paperwork. So they got to have the papers. Thank you, Queen. All right, King. One love. So y'all see that? I'm getting love from the brothers and sisters in Delaware. They riding through trying to help Dr. Umar get the school up. You know what I mean? Shout out to Wilmington, Delaware. Appreciate the love. I'm hoping we can stop littering on the campus grounds. You know, too much litter on the campus grounds. I'm not feeling that. Please put the trash in the trash can, not on the street. I done picked up, somebody shitted. I don't know if that was human shit or dog shit, but somebody shitted on my school steps. I don't know why you would shit on my steps or let your dog shit on my steps. So please, 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 no more shitting on my steps, all right? I done found condoms, alcohol bottles all over the place. This is not the drink spot. We about to cause an international, global, Pan-African revolution from this campus. Mark my words, this campus will go down in history. I promise you. I promise you. The greatest leaders of the African race have yet to be born and made. They will come from this school. I promise you that. If you need to get at me, 215-989-9858. Jacksonville, Florida, August the 30th. Orlando, Florida, August the 31st. Jacksonville, Florida, August the 30th. Orlando, Florida, August the 31st. DrUmarJohnson.com. Make sure you get your unapologetically African clothing at DrUmarJohnson.com. All right. Donations for the shockumentary and general donations for Dr. Umar. Send your donations to me, cash.me/$Dr. Johnson, or you can PayPal your donations to me by using the email Umar the Psychologist, Yahoo for PayPal donations. Cash App is $Dr. Umar Johnson, but that's not for the school. That is for donations for me and the shockumentary so I can do my work. School donations is $FDMG School, $FDMG School. Mail in FDMG Academy, P.O. Box 9634, Wilmington, Delaware 19809. Nashville, Tennessee, Saturday, September 7th. Nashville, Tennessee, Saturday, September 7th. Memphis, Tennessee, October 5th. Memphis, Tennessee, October 5th. So we got back-to-back Memphis. Back-to-back Memphis.
Yeah, he got me on the charger. You had a light in the world. Yeah, you got me on the charger, yeah. I helped you pass inspection, though.
Right, but they think that we supposed to do everything for free, but they ain't gonna give us nothing.
Yeah, I'm like, so his food cart ain't going the way he thought it was on Governor Prince. So now he asked me.
Governor Prince.
Yeah, right by the guard. It's the only one for on the guard's property.
Yeah, but I can't remember. I remember it, but I can't remember it.
Well, it's not big. It's not big. The food cart you saw, my boy got.
Yeah, it need to be that size.
Well,
because I gotta put a refrigerator and a stand-up freezer in there.
Why don't you just buy? Why don't you just? It'll be cheaper. Save you a lot of money. Why don't you just buy a plane for food?
But I gotta put deep fryers in there. I gotta put a grill in there. I have to put prep table and the steam table.
Yeah, because you can get a deep fryer from the restaurant store for like $400.
No, I'm talking about 2 or at least 3.
Okay, they make you too.
Right, but you gotta be separate because the chicken and the fish, and then whatever else.
Well, they separate the grease.
Oh, okay, yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Covering under this vinyl?
That's wood under there, see?
That's why we saw the wood ceiling.
Right.
So it's going through the wood.
Right, okay, so that's...
See all this? Just got to be paired up over there because it's leaking in that room over there.
So all you got to do is come up here and mark a couple spots.
Right.
And then come back with the stuff to do it.
That'll work. We on top of the FDMG roof right now. I've never been up here.
Oh, he's gonna hold right here to shoot them with.
Yeah. Yep.
This looks 100% better than what I thought it was gonna look like after you said they came through the roof.
So that ain't how they did that.
Look right here. Look.
Yep, that little hole.
That little hole?
Yeah, that little hole is the only word for it.
See, that's like if you was to step on a rock or something like that.
Right, it's going to cut right through. Them Sharpies.
So, the only thing that I see is this air conditioning unit. That air conditioning unit is the only thing that they took apart as this major HVAC system here.
Okay. Okay.
So here's what you could do. Check this out.
Hold that thought. Because I want to end this, Baba, before you say that. Sweep this side real quick. We on top of the roof, FDMG Academy, Wilmington, Delaware. It's time for them renovations, baby.